Hello, welcome to That's Easy channel. I've got another tutorial video for you, but before we dive into it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new tutorials and you'll help the channel grow. Thank you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Genshin Impact. First, you have to Google and type Genshin Impact. After Google returns the results, make sure to click on the one I choose here. Now on their website, scroll down and choose PC Download. As you can see, it started downloading. We're going to speed it up a little bit. Now you can open the file you just downloaded. And then you'll have to click on Install Now. It's going to take a few moments when it's done. Click on Run Now and Now to download the game. Make sure to click Get Game. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.